Hi, so before I go to the chart, I want to show you some of the physical differences of the Instapot LUX and the IP Dual. So let me go ahead and zoom up close. So you notice, first of all, the handle is a little bit different. The handle for the LUX is more of a slot, as you can see, whereas for the Dual, it's an actual handle. So if you're concerned about that particular style and not any other feature, just make sure you notice that. The other difference is that the Dual here, so this is the Dual, has a 3-prong electrical cord, and the IP LUX, which is the Instapot LUX here, has a 2-prong cord, and it is attached. Now, I'm not particularly certain whether it's for this particular model, so from version to version they might change styles, but just be aware of that and notice if the handle is in a particular way and that the cord is a 2-prong or not. But I would say that in the chart that I'm going to show you later, that's very comprehensive, it has the differences with even the 2-prong and 3-prong electrical cord. Now the biggest difference is the 6-in-1 and 7-in-1 functionality. So what the 6-in-1 and 7-in-1 actually means is that it's 7 appliances or 6 appliances in one. So you'll notice that this here has all your typical functionality. So the typical functionality, the 6 things that they're mainly talking about, is the pressure cooker, the slow cooker, the rice cooker, the saute, the steamer, the warmer. So those are the 6 things. And the 7th thing for the 7-in-1 is actually the yogurt maker. So the yogurt maker has all of the other 6 things plus the yogurt maker. So just to sum up again, pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, saute, steamer, warmer, and the yogurt maker. So this is the panel of the IP Dual here. And once again, this is the panel of the IP LUX. Now the other versions has the 9-in-1, which is the cake maker and the sterilizer. So you notice this actually does have the cake maker, but it's not the full functionality. So definitely refer to the guide that I have, and you could download the chart, the comprehensive chart, in the description area of this video. So let me go ahead and show you the chart now. So sometimes we rely a little bit too much on Amazon reviews when the information is actually already on the Instapot manufacturer website. So you'll notice here that they have the LUX series, the Dual series, and the difference between the Dual Plus and the Ultra. And what I'm going to do here is go through and scroll over some of those, but also I have this PDF in a PDF file format that could be downloaded in the description area of this video. But first I want to go through what the 6-in-1, 7-in-1, and 9-in-1 means. So what that actually means is that this is 6 appliances in one, that's 7 appliances in one, and that's 9 appliances in one. And the 6 appliances that they mean is the pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, saute and searing, steamer, and warmer. So that's the 6. And the Dual also has a 7th, which is the yogurt maker, while the Dual Plus has additional features, which is the cake maker and the sterilizer. So those are the differences between the 7-in-1, 6-in-1, 9-in-1, and the 10-in-1 is just simply ultra program precise customization and altitude control. So that's the difference between the Ultra and the Dual Plus, which they label as a 10-in-1. So let me scroll through top to bottom some of the main features. And once again, you could download this yourself in the description area of this video and examine it, or just go to the Instapot download website. But let me scroll through this really quickly and compare the LUX and Dual series. And once again, you'll notice there is 10 safety mechanisms, so you don't have to worry about the pressure cooker exploding because there is 10 safety mechanisms that actually prevent that. Secondly, there is these programmable features, the built-in features, the delay timers, and the thermal pressure sensors. All of them have those. Now, one of the features that you would not necessarily expect is that the LUX, the lowest model here, only has a 2-prong plug that is non-detachable. So this is really attached to the LUX, whereas the Dual here has a 3-prong plug that is detachable. And you could see that in some of my other videos where I demonstrate that. And I'll have that also at the end of this video, where in the description area where I have other videos. So this here I'm comparing to the LUX and the Dual, and I'm scrolling down here, and once again you'll notice this is the keep warm functionality. So I'm gonna scroll through some of these other functionalities here. You could see here the yogurt functionality is in the Dual, but not in the LUX. So that is one of the biggest main features that the 6-in-1 is missing. And you'll notice the sterilizer, but the sterilizer is in the Plus, the Dual Plus, and also the cake maker is in the Dual Plus, but not in the 3-quart, for example. And yet it's in the 5 quarts and the 6 quarts of the LUX. So keep that in mind. Now I'm going to scroll through this again a little bit. And that's really it. That is the chart here. And let me go through now the LUX and Dual. A little bit slower, but once again, just download it from the link in the description area here. So I just want to go through the Dual series and the Dual Plus and Ultra here. And just scroll down slowly so you could see some of the features comparison. And you'll notice with the Dual Plus and the Ultra, you could actually keep things warm for 6 hours, or cook it for 6 hours. You could keep everything warm for actually 24 hours to 99 hours. And there you go. That is the difference between all of these models. And I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.